Sup guys, Steampunk Gamer Girl here. We are back with Starbound, and of course Valancourt is here.
What's up, guys?
We are still exploring this place. Whoa.
That's a fancy ass statue. That looks like potential for an avian boss. Which is... Whoa.
Whoa!
Die, fools! Something sounds like a dentist around here. Oh, that, one sec. What's in the box?
Poison bow! I'm gonna take the pixels, you can have everything else. I'm assuming we have to go up now.
One would assume
What's
so.
with the sudden really bad spacing of the things now?
Things?
Used to be able to get up no problem.
Maybe it's... They're all the same size, I think. But the gravity might be slightly higher
Ah.
on this planet. So it just comes off a stock template that doesn't take into account gravity. Also, we can get like the pulse jump fairly easily, so...
That just leads out.
Which is... there's some kind of weird black thing. I don't know where you're going, but there's some weird black thing coming. I don't know what it is, and I don't much like it.
Salamander. Are we not?
This is the way we haven't been. We searched the entire building. What the hell? Why'd you come straight for me?
Whoa. Okay. It didn't. It ran for me and missed me. Or it hit me, but continued. You
Okay.
friendlies? Think you friendly? Yeah.
House.
This is a funny looking house. Uh-oh.
Is he not a friendly?
He is. Oh, Noah's. I still managed to land on one. Hi, friendly. I put it too high.
We have got a fair bit of tungsten, probably enough to make the EPP packs that we're gonna need.
Damn it!
We are back to the beginning.
Well, I'm gonna beam up. Because I can't get out of that hole.
Right, back to the home world, I suppose.
Ah.
Did you ever make a thingy to go with the thingy?
Okay. You gonna actually talk to me, or are you gonna continue sounding like a douche? I have a whole bunch of rotten food in my inventory.
Doesn't surprise me. It's a real pain to try and keep. Did you ever make a watering can?
No.
Ah. That explains why the crops haven't grown. I'll make a watering can.
Thank you. I just need a copper bar, I'm good. I'm fine.
Okay.
It's just I hadn't got round to making one yet, because I've been busy.
I don't know if you want to put down like a rainbow chest somewhere nearby. As a like seed chest or whatever.
That's what I was gonna do.
Right, we need to find a Floran village and start searching their stuff for clues to where we can get the first key for the big door.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take my ship and start scanning. With these EPPs we can now go to moons and mine up our own stuff.
Okay.
Just be aware of we can now mine up our own fuel for our ship.
Awesome. Well, maybe you should find a moon first so we can get some stuff.
Okay. I'm now heading to the moon above the desert planet that I was just from.
Thank you. I just thought, because I have like no fuel, so.
Same here. What we could do with some villagers.
What, you want me to set up a colony here?
No, village. If we can find a village on a planet, we can get some people that work for us as crew members, and then we can expand our ship.
Right.
Which is obviously a good thing.
Yeah.
Right, I'm above a moon world. I'm gonna head down.
Okay, hang on.
However, it may be a dangerous moon world. I'm not 100% sure.
Do I have my breather thing?
You will need that equipped, yes.
It's on my back.
Well, if it's equipped to your back, then yeah, it's equipped. Now be very careful. What did I just say?
You could have warned me before I spawned in. Ass. Okay.
These are the crystals that we need.
Right.
These big pink ones. However, be warned, when you start mining them, you will start getting the attention of some rather horrifying creatures. And you will probably need to pop in and out frequently using the teleport. There's one.
Where?
Don't tell me it's coming from. Yeah, it's coming from me.
I mined up the thing and moved out the way, so I'm assuming it isn't coming for me for the reason of I mined it up and moved quick. Is it gonna come for me now?
No idea. All I know is that it basically, if you've got anything on it, it comes for you. So now I'm gonna come to you.
We should maybe take it in turns then, so that the other person can be
Yeah,
okay.
that could work.
So is it my turn?
Yeah. You start mining, and then it'll come to you. And then once you're back, I'll mine up some until it starts
Where is it?
hitting me. I don't see it. Just keep going until you. Just keep on mining. That's sick. Ooh, that's a spike. Who the hell has come to an empty moon and put a freaking spike in the ground? Somebody to stand on. I can see it. Thankfully, it moves really slowly.
There it is.
I'm not sure if that's technically siphoning the fuel away or what, but all I know is that I'm now out of here.
Okay, it's gone.
Sweet.
You guessing now it's my turn?
Yep.
We're gonna have to go down though, I think.
Okay.
Oh, you got some too. That's bad. You ready? Oh god!
Is it a deep hole?
Yeah, and there's two coming, so we're gonna have to both go anyway. They both seem to be coming for you.
What? Jesus.
See?
Ouch. Well, you go and ditch the stuff. I'll just avoid them until you can get back.
Okay, hang on. Done. I'm on my way. Okay.
Give me a sec. I'm gonna scoop some up before they get me.
Will they kill me if I get too close?
Probably. Okay, too close, run away.
So what do we do with the crystals then?
The crystals and the liquid fuel, you just stick in the you know, the fuel panel behind the cockpit seat.
Oh, yep.
Just stick them in there like you would have done with coal and wood.
Okay, done that. Awesome. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. I just needed to take stuff off. Ah, everything's grown. It looks so pretty.
But they decided to introduce something a bit more horror to the moon world to make it so it's harder to get fuel. A lush and hospitable place. Threat low. I'm going to move over to that planet.
Does it have florin?
I don't know, it doesn't state. It just says that it's lush and hospitable. I think working in pairs, we could easily mine a lot of fuel.
Yeah.
Which is well worth noting because obviously fuel is expensive and hard to acquire when you're on your own, at least.
Yeah. Done them.
Yay!
Thing is, we need florin. Where are you gone?
West. I'm just searching for stuff.
Okay, so which way's west?
Left.
Okay. So I was heading the right way. Because you just kind of went without waiting for me. Now I'm stuck. And yet you still continue.
Now I'm heading back.
Okay then.
Not sure how you've managed to get stuck.
Seriously, you need sod you.
Yeah, you can't just cut the
Fucking
ground out
tree.
from under a tree.
This block here was not under the tree.
What? There's some weird red-faced monster. And another one.
Carrot. Egg.
Just what we were looking for. Well, I was looking for.
Oh, I'll go over here because then I'm not in the way of the. What the hell are you? Friggin' radish thing.
We might be heading towards the Florin village.
Awesome.
These
Yeah.
look like the trees that give you
I shall helps.
yes, they are. They give you plant fiber when you cut them down.
Incoming. It's for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Because then you can just plant them.
Oh, some of them are just giving me loads of petals rather than some kind of building down there.
Down there.
Well, some kind of structure at least.
Night.
This is literally it. It's just like a little underground hole where one might hide if you were some reason had enough time to craft logs, but not enough time to build a door.
Ah!
Ow.
I know, I did that too. Whoa! Get out! Butts handed to us by radishes! Giant flower petals. Gold ore. I'll take the ores, you can take everything else.
Right, I have a banjo and a microphone. Do you want either of them?
I will take the microphone. If
I
that's
put it
cool.
I put it in the chest for you.
Thank you. The voice one sounds so much better now.
There's a chest with a giant flower door and some pixels.
Did I just throw my weapon? I did. It's cool. I got it back. Ooh. Oh! I see the thing that's leaving Baby Red. Oh. You are not a helicopter. You are also not a helicopter. Ooh. Nothing.
Come on. Just try and get past this spear. Poke, poke, poke. Oh. So it turns out I could get some awesome saplings from my home world.
Uh-oh.
What's in the box?
Ah!
Some kind of crocodile.
What's in the box? What's in the pod?
Whatever.
Well.
Pixels.
And how do you even tell how many pixels you have now?
It's in your inventory. It's down in the bottom left.
Okay, maybe I need to purchase some stuff before we log out of Starbound. Speaking
How many
of which,
pixels have you got?
over 1,000, which means I'm gonna be losing like almost 1,000.
No, you'll lose like 100 when you die. What the hell? Why can't I attach another platform? There we go. The hell is this creepy ass thing up here? Boobly boobly monster.
Uh-oh. I had enough of it.
Oogly boogly monster. That was rather horrendous, if we're quite honest with ourselves.
I'm jumping to show you how high we can go from here. Oop. Hang on, I get this.
Will you please stop that? It's very distracting.
You're distracting.
Your face is distracting.
Ah. Okay, I need to heal before I do anything else. Oh! We'll have to do this next episode.
Alrighty then. I'm gonna have a nap.
Alright, well, thank you all for watching. Unfortunately, this is all we have time for today. If you have liked it, please remember to leave a like, comment or subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Starbound. Bye guys!
Oh well, folks. It's equipped. Now be very careful.